Hello and welcome to your 2-minute tech briefing from Computer World. I'm your host, Arnold Davik, reporting from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. Here are the top IT news stories you need to know for Tuesday, November 18th. Let's dive in. Up first from CIO, Salesforce is rolling out a new simulation environment called Everse, designed to train both voice and text-based AI agents for enterprise use. The platform uses synthetic data, stress testing, and reinforcement learning to boost accuracy. It's all part of Salesforce's push toward what it calls enterprise general intelligence. Salesforce says businesses increasingly need AI that performs at 99% accuracy, not the 90 to 95% common today. A big challenge is something Salesforce calls jagged intelligence. This is when AI handles complex tasks well but fails on simple, common sense tasks. Solving the issue requires AI that learns continuously from users and its environment. And from Computer World, OpenAI has released GPT 5.1. It's an upgrade aimed at faster responses, stronger reasoning, and better personalization in ChatGPT. The update includes new instant and thinking modes. It also has fresh personality presets from professional and efficient to quirky and cynical. GPT 5.1 is rolling out now across ChatGPT's free and paid plans. Enterprise and education customers are getting early access. And finally, from CSO Online, two key U.S. cybersecurity laws that quietly expired during the government shutdown are now a step closer to being reinstated. The Senate voted to advance a bill that would extend the Cybersecurity Information Sharing Act of 2015 and the Federal Cybersecurity Enhancement Act through January 2026. Their lapse had removed liability protections that encouraged companies to share threat intelligence with the government. This raised legal risks and slowed information flow at a time of increased nation, state, and ransomware activity. That's today's 2-minute tech briefing. For more enterprise tech news, visit Computer World, CIO, and CSO Online. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the Tech Talk YouTube channel.